The essence of the afterlife. There is a patient with dementia. The symptom is the loss of cognitive ability in the brain, which leads to an inability to remember. They forget the actions they have taken and repeat the same behaviors. Even after eating, they don't remember eating and eat again. In short, they have lost the insight to judge and analyze objects or situations. However, when leaving the physical realm and entering the afterlife, everyone experiences symptoms similar to dementia. In other words, they continue to repeat the same actions. The difference from dementia in the physical body is that despite having memory of their repeated actions, they continue to repeat them. The reason is that although cognitive awareness is lost, the desires from when they were alive remain. In essence, they don't feel the satiety that the physical body feels after eating, so even if they've eaten, the desire to eat remains until it dissipates. Those who had strong desires for food in their lifetime continue to crave food. Those who had strong desires for possessions continue to seek material things. And those with strong sexual desires continue to seek sexual activities. As mentioned earlier, since there is no sense of energy buildup or depletion without the physical body, they do not tire of repetitive actions. As long as there are desires, they continue to be engrossed in these actions. From this perspective, the afterlife can be seen as a world where unfulfilled desires and stresses from the earthly realm are released. But repeating actions does not alleviate desires. Desire is a kind of obsession that individuals create, hold onto, and indulge in during their lifetime. And it is also a symptom of mental illness due to the absence of insight, similar to dementia. If dementia is a phenomenon that occurs due to the loss of brain function, desires and cravings stem from the misconception of an eternal self that is attached to the physical body. Hence, they end up accepting themselves as slaves to the physical body. This slave mentality persists even after the physical body disappears because the mind has accepted itself as a slave to the body. Even when the physical body disappears, one's mind does not vanish. Therefore, desires and cravings rooted in the slave mentality persist even in the afterlife, continuing to live as slaves to the physical body. Desires and cravings created by the mind do not disappear overnight, and as a result, accumulated stresses are not resolved. Thus, even after the physical body disappears, desires, cravings, and stresses related to the physical body persist in the afterlife for a considerable period. Continuing repetitive actions in an attempt to resolve these issues never truly provides relief because the problem lies not in the physical body but in the mind.